And in the meanwhile, the deadlock between the government and the farmers continues. Speaking on the occasion of the 93rd annual convention of FICCI, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has said that the government is willing to listen to farmers, allay their fears and provide them with assurances. He added that they are always open to discussion and dialogue. Rajnath Singh reiterated that the fact that recent reforms have been undertaken with the best interests of India's farmers in mind. This comes as Home Minister Amit Shah held a key huddle there with Agricultural Minister over the ongoing farmers' stir at his residence. And this is the third such huddle in 3 days' time. The centre's outreach to farmers there comes amid protesters' clarion call to escalate the stir. Farmers are adamant on their demands to roll back the 3 new farm laws.
There is no question of taking retrograde steps against our agricultural sector either. The recent reforms have been undertaken with the best interests of India's farmers in mind. We are, however, always willing to listen to our farmer brothers, allay their misgivings, provide them with assurances we can provide. Our government is always open to discussion and dialogue. Agriculture has been one sector which has been able to avoid the adverse effects of the pandemic and in fact come out the best. Our produce and procurement have been plentiful and our warehouses are full.
जो किसान भाई बॉर्डर के ऊपर हैं तो उनसे मैं निवेदन करूंगा कि सर्दी का समय है और कोरोना का भी समय है। मोदी जी इस बात की सबसे ज़्यादा चिंता कर रहे हैं कि आने वाले समय के अंदर हम इस आंदोलन को भी किस तरह समाप्त करें और प्रधानमंत्री जी स्वयं इसकी मॉनिटरिंग कर रहे हैं। तो मैं आप सभी किसानों से आग्रह करता हूं कि ये किसानों के हित का बिल है और इसमें कुछ अगर अमेंडमेंट की आवश्यकता है तो उसके लिए भारत सरकार तैयार है।
Cutting across to Maushmi Singh, joining us live from the Singhu border, one of those friction points. Maushmi, take us through the sentiments of the farmers who are seated on a hunger strike today. They want talks between the government and the farmers to begin as soon as possible. What do you see behind you?
Right, this is actually an escalation of the standoff between the farmers and the government. And this is what we see on ground zero. Young children who are from Singhu actually coming with posters and banners supporting this entire fight of the farmers. I spotted these young girls. पीछे दिखाइए क्या लिखा है आपने? I am a farmer's daughter. So the writing writ large on the wall and also here with banners and posters. The message is clear that not only the farmers, it's the Aam Aadmi also connecting, children also connecting with this cause. यहाँ पे आप लोग क्यों आए हैं और क्या संदेश देना चाहते हैं?
हम किसानों के सपोर्ट में आए हैं। हम चाहते हैं कि जो भी किसानों की मांग है वो पूरी की जाए।
आपके फादर, आपकी फैमिली भी खेती करती है?
हाँ।
तो आपको पता है यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, क्या कर रहे हैं किसान और क्यों आंदोलन कर रहे हैं?
किसान यहाँ पे जो मांगे वो मोदी सरकार उनको दे। किसानों की जो मांग है वो बिल्कुल सही है और मैं चाहती हूँ कि उनकी मांग पूरी हो।
ऊपर आप लोग ने लिखा है मेरी पहचान मैं हूँ एक किसान। ये कौन है? आपके फादर आपने बनाया? कौन बनाया है इसमें पे?
मेरे ग्रैंडफादर और मेरे फादर।
आपके ग्रैंडफादर और आपके फादर। और आप क्या करेंगी आगे चल के?
मैं एक आर्मी वुमेन बनूंगी।
अच्छा, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी? यहाँ पे आपने क्या देखा?
यहाँ पे ये बूढ़े जो हैं ये ठंडों में रात में सोते हैं सड़कों पे, ये देख के हम इसीलिए यहाँ पे आए हैं।
आपने टेलीविजन पे देख रहे थे, आज आपने खुद देखा आके?
हाँ, यहाँ पे हम इसीलिए आए हैं हम यहाँ पे।
So really, Nabila, spelling it out, these young children, in fact, indicating how this agitation has become a people's movement on ground zero. Apparently, a meeting of the Farmers Union is expected in the evening, or perhaps they will spell out a blueprint. But before that, it's really, overwhelming to see the kind of support that the farmers are getting here at the Singhu border.
Thank you very much, Maushmi, for joining us with those details there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.